In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your Hulu watch history so you can keep your viewing activity private. Let's get started. To clear your watch history, log into your Hulu account on the website or app. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your account name or icon, then select Account or Profile. Look for the Watch History or Viewing Activity section. Here you'll see a list of shows and movies you've watched. To remove individual titles, click the Remove or X button next to each one. If you want to clear your entire watch history, look for an option that says Clear All or Delete All Viewing Activity. Once cleared, Hulu will no longer recommend content based on the removed titles. Note that this process may vary slightly depending on the device you're using. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your Hulu account.